For the first experiment, the tube was cut by saw. That's not good enough. There shouldn't be a gap at all between the pieces.
Well, I decided to make a real test.
I milled both ends.
Change glasses.
Stacking the corners. And fuse weld in between. And fuse weld the corners too.
Now I'm going to cut it off and cut it up to see the weld. Oh, it's crooked. Oh, damn. The weld is not too bad, a little bit deeper. That doesn't matter in my situation. My problem was that I faced two ends, but I forgot to turn the faced end. This is the faced end. This should have been welded.
That was too small for the saw.
Cut it up and cut it up into two directions to see the weld itself. This is the factory weld. No, sorry, mistake. This is the factory weld, and this is my weld. It came right through. And here it came through a bit too much.
These are scrap tubes from the construction of my sons, and from these pieces I welded together the 9-foot long. All splices are done by fusion. The cover plate by TIG welding. 4-inch rail is completely ready. The effective length is 9'1". The hoist is made for fixed installation.
These are from a smaller hoist, but it's the same for this hoist too. And I cut these at this point, each side, and extended them higher up with a stronger material.
End of each piece was milled to square 90 degrees. Prepared for fusion welding. It's a bit crowded for the torch. Didn't need that hand support. There was enough hand support. I did. Tack weld in the corners. Completing the fusion. Now all will be welded together. all extensions are done. Just bolt it up for the looks. Let's see what it looks like. Filters needed between bearings and ends of the bearings. Roller bearings are 25 by 8 with a 10 mm hole. Just a test to know the distance from the ceiling. Bending the ceiling hangers. Drilling holes for the 10 mm shaft had to be accurate. Now the ceiling hangers are ready. You see them now upside down. The little pulleys were made in case I have to install it with somebody else. They were made from 1.5-inch pulleys. It turns out that it's made in vain. It's nice to see the completed rail. I was lucky because my strong son came over and he installed the whole thing using my ceiling installer made earlier. It looks like the ceiling is in the way, but it isn't. Of course, when we use the hoist, the ceiling fan is not working. It just pushes it over. When we don't use the lift, then the ceiling fan can operate it. It's finished and alive. Thanks. And always, thank you for watching.